So very good evening, friends. This side Rahul Magan here is a Group Chief Executive Officer, Treasury Consulting, and also a venture capitalist. I would like to inform you about the latest development on our news desk. Now, the phase one of phase second is also done. So what we did in the phase one is that that we are having license of Reuters. We are having subscription of Bloomberg TV. We are having subscription of Wall Street Journal and international magazines, and more importantly the other magazines in the capital market. We collated all these information, and we in the phase one we successful enough to share all of the information in the news desk. All of the information which we are sharing in the news desk. Now we are moving towards phase 2, and phase 2 starting from today. Now what is phase 2 is, and please be note that more phases would be coming as the upcoming time would pass. Now phase 2 is definitely phase 1 plus videos plus which we term this as index monitoring. No, I will not repeat phase 1. We are already explained what is phase 1, Bloomberg, Reuters, and all these things. So I will not repeat phase 1, rather I will simply write here in a box which is known as phase 1. Okay. Apart from phase 1, what we did is we started shooting videos from Reuters, 20 minutes, 25 minutes videos. Now these videos covering forward contracts, these videos covering spots, these videos covering gold, these videos covering silver, these videos covering NIRP, negative interest rate policy curve, and much more. Now what other thing is we doing, we started giving the screenshots of index monitoring. Now what is index monitoring is that in this would be giving the screenshot of Nifty, Bank Nifty, and we would be covering almost all indexes including India, US plus Europe. Like today I shared 2 screenshots. Right, in this we are sharing advanced and moderate level technical analysis charts to the people with some commentary. Now what happened? Phase 1 is done. Phase 2 started from today. Now everything from the phase 1 is definitely in the news desk. Today we uploaded almost 8 videos in the group so that you can see the videos directly in the group, and you can automatically download these videos on your desktop, laptop, or maybe I would say computers or whatever, right? So phase 1 is done, phase 2 is done. We would be focusing more here. We would be covering all indexes. So what we are planning is in phase 2 is this. More detail in the index monitoring. I am planning Nifty 50. I am planning Nifty 500. I am planning Bank Nifty. I am planning SGX, Singapore Stock Exchange. I am planning Thailand Index. I am planning South Korea Index. I am planning Chinese Index. I am planning Japanese Index, which is Nikkei Times. I am planning my favorite XPX, Standard & Poor, NDX, Nasdaq, and Dow Jones Industrial Average. These all indexes will come in the form of index monitoring. Like this. And this index monitoring will take input from these and it will go as an input to news desk. This is how we are planning index monitoring. So all the news plus index monitoring plus videos. More important thing, what we are planning probably in the phase 3, not the later course of time, would be the videos on index monitoring, but we will definitely let you know about that. So apparently speaking, the news desk which we are designing will need another 2 months to full-fledged. Now this is phase 1, which is definitely done. This is phase 2, which started and to be done and complete soon. This is phase 3, which is little bit more important. This is phase 4, which would be covering about ETFs and all. This is phase 5, wherein we would be covering very dedicated commodities and all. And this is my phase 6. This is done. This is done. This is to be soon, everything to be done by March. And after March, this would be a global news desk, which would be covering almost everything in the world, almost everything in the world, except very few minute things which it is not covering. As I already told you that the news desk is divided into 2 parts. Number 1 is Telegram. Number 2 is WhatsApp broadcast. In Telegram, you would be have all plus videos, because Telegram's allowing us to have 2 GB of videos plus Q&A. But here it is only broadcast. No Q&A, and no videos, because the size of the videos on the WhatsApp is always very small. Before I quit, let me tell you that our news desk is not a trading desk. So please don't expect buy this share, sell this share, and something like that and all. You know, this is not a trading desk. If you wish to have, if you wish to join, charges is in terms of Indian rupee, it is rupees 260 per year. In terms of US dollars, it is 3 US dollars per year. In terms of Singapore dollar, it is 3 Singapore dollar per year. If you wish to have more information, you can WhatsApp on our back office, which is this number. Treasury Consulting is committed to make this as a global news desk. We started with a modest start. Today we have 200 members, and very soon we have millions of members, because let the phase 6 complete and then almost everything will come in this news desk. Our journey is on. Thank you, and have a great time ahead, guys.